Hello and welcome back to All About Law. If you're interested in the world of business and considering expanding your ventures internationally, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to incorporate an offshore company in Seychelles, a popular jurisdiction for business due to its favorable tax policies and confidentiality laws. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why Seychelles is a go-to destination for offshore companies. Seychelles offers a politically stable environment, a straightforward incorporation process, and most importantly, attractive tax benefits. Incorporating your offshore company in Seychelles is relatively simple, but there are several key pieces of information and documents you'll need to prepare. Here's what you need to get started. Company name. Your company needs a unique name that's not already in use or reserved in Seychelles. It's advisable to have a few options in mind. Registered agent and office. You must have a registered agent in Seychelles and a registered office address within the country. This is where all official correspondence will be sent. Director S and shareholder S details. You'll need to provide details of the company's directors and shareholders. Seychelles allows for a high degree of privacy, but initial information must be filed. Memorandum and articles of association. These documents outline the company's structure and internal rules. They must be prepared and submitted as part of the incorporation process. Due diligence documents. To comply with international regulations, you'll need to provide proof of identity and address for all directors and shareholders. This typically includes a notarized passport copy and a recent utility bill. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents and information, the next step is to submit them through your chosen registered agent in Seychelles. The agent will handle the filing with the Seychelles Business Registry and pay the required government fees on your behalf. And that's it. Incorporating an offshore company in Seychelles is a straightforward process, especially when you're prepared with all the right information. If you're looking to maximize your business's potential while enjoying the benefits of an offshore jurisdiction, Seychelles could be the perfect choice for you. The incorporation process usually takes a few days to complete. Once done, you'll receive your certificate of incorporation, memorandum and articles of association, and other relevant documents, officially marking the establishment of your offshore company in Seychelles. Thank you for watching All About Law. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights. Have questions or want to see more content like this? Leave us a comment below. Until next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content on this channel.